Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. First week of November. It's almost 70 degrees. I am in my shorts today. Monday, the high is 32 with a low of like 22. So time to get your RVs winterized. So if you live somewhere cold, it's probably about time. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this horse trailer today. Now you may notice that the thumbnail may not have been a horse trailer. I don't know, because anytime a horse trailer is in the thumbnail or in the title, that video gets like hardly any views. So yeah, I don't know what I'll do with the title and thumbnail yet, but we're just winterizing an RV, because the living quarters on a horse trailer are just a small RV. So as usual, when we're winterizing one, let's go around and just familiarize ourselves really quick, and unlike that last one, let's don't miss anything this time. So it's a horse trailer, so I don't believe it has an outside shower, but it does have an outside spigot. We need to remember that right there. Here is our city fill. Pop that cap off. We'll put some water in there. Here are our sewer valves that are under there. I'll lay down there in a minute and see if there are any low point drains. I don't think there are on this one. Let's walk around here. And here is our water heater. It is a Suburban, so it's got the anode rod / drain plug down there in the bottom. So we'll remember where this is at, so when we go inside, we'll know where our bath pass valves are at on the back of it. And that's it. Let me get something to lay on. I'll just lay it down over there and see if this thing has low point drains. I don't think so. Let me go look anyway. So I winterize this thing every year, but I don't remember every single detail of every single RV that I work on. Y'all? No, I don't think so. Alright, I didn't see any low point drains. I don't think it has any. Let's get you set up here. Get access to the water pump. And the winterizing hose and valve down in here too, if I remember correctly. Somebody's put a nail in this thing, I do believe. Maybe it's got a screw too. I know it's got a nail. Must be another screw somewhere. Alright, I see the one. That end's loose. It's just this side. It's right here. Oh, I don't feel another screw. That screw's plenty loose. By golly, there's something else holding it. Gotta be another screw. Gotta be. Should be sticking up. Well, my goodness gracious. I don't hear it. Don't feel it. Wait a minute. What was that? Wonder if somebody put another nail in there. They did. Somebody help me out. We put a couple nails in that sucker. Okay, thank you. Someone else. Oh, funny thing is, old dummy me, that ain't where the water pump's at. I forget, it's down in this cabinet over here. It's down this cabinet. Oh well. Every tool has a hammer side, right? Even my Milwaukee M18 hammer. It also has a drill side. Was another screw that wasn't holding anything. We'll put that in. Now I gotta clean this. Closet out. So I can get to the water pump. Alright. Let me get this closet cleaned out. Then we'll get to the pump. It's a good thing I said I'm somewhat familiar with this one, but I also said I don't remember everything about everyone. Right? Alright. Once you get this closet cleaned out, the closet just lifts out. It's not even screwed down. And then down in here is our winterizing hose and our water pump and all that goody stuff. So I have to turn that valve on that winterizing hose right there, and this is our winterizing hose. Comes out there. I reach down in there. I reach down there and turn that valve. Y'all can't see. Okay, we're ready there, as you cannot see. All right, let's see here. If I remember correctly, which I may or may not, seems like the water heater bypass is under the laboratory sink. Alrighty, it is. So let's bypass the water heater. This is a 2-valve system. So there's a check valve on the top of the water heater. So we turn that valve that way, so the antifreeze will bypass the water heater. And we turn this one that way, so the antifreeze won't go in the water heater. So yeah, I de-winterize this one in the spring, so we can just leave that just like that. Let's go out and drain the water heater. Just make sure there's no water in that fresh water tank. It says it's a third full. So let me see if I can find the drain for that, because we need to drain that so we don't accidentally suck any water. Well, I mean, we need to drain the tank anyway, but then we can't accidentally suck any water into the water pump. I found the drain for the freshwater tank. It was up on the very left front corner. So let's get this water heater drained. Correct size socket. First try. I put this in so it shouldn't be crazy tight. Put this in the spring. Alright, we'll just leave that just like that. Alright, let's do the fresh water inlet. here. That gets this check valve and that water line to the pump. Pump's just 6 inches away. No, about a foot away. So it won't take much. I have the shower faucet open inside so we can get antifreeze in. Otherwise, we just build up pressure and wouldn't be able to get any antifreeze in. That should be plenty. No black tank flush on this one, so we don't have to worry about that. So we're done with the hand pump. So we're done here. Oh. Let's move inside. All right. I closed the shower faucet. Let's drop our hose down in this jug of antifreeze. We already got the valve turned down in there where you can't see. Let's turn the pump on, see if we build pressure. Let's just go right here because it's close. See, we can't get any antifreeze in the lines because it's already, you know, pressurized. So let's open this. That lets pressure go. Should suck up the antifreeze. Sometimes this takes a minute. Sometimes we have to help it a little bit too. Sometimes. Oh, there was another valve in here I need to turn. The one from the fresh water tank. So it was just sucking air. Now, there we go. Alright, built up pressure. Now, so yeah, we needed to turn not only the valve for the winterizing hose, but we needed to cut the valve off that went to the fresh water tank. So my bad. Let's go to the farthest point away, which is going to be our shower. Always start the farthest away. Let's do cold first. Already have antifreeze. Do the hot. You get water, then we get antifreeze. Alright. Let's do the laboratory. It should get antifreeze really quick because we've already run it to the farthest point back. Don't forget the commode. That jug is empty. Let's switch it out for a freshie. This will not go to waste. I'll show you what we do with that here in a minute. All right, let's do the kitchen faucet. All right, cold. And the hot. We get water. And we get antifreeze. All right. Now, since this is a horse trailer, we have this outside spigot to do. It's right here at the pump, so it should get antifreeze really quickly. Just as I suspected. Now, I'm just going to go around and do everything again, just to make 100% sure that we don't have any water hiding anywhere. I've already done the bathroom the second time. Let's do the kitchen sink second time. Cold, hot. All right. Well, the water lines are winterized. Now, I'm going to take the leftover antifreeze plus this full gallon. Because I mean, antifreeze is, depending on what year it is, anywhere from $5 to $6 a gallon. So I always put 3 gallons in a simple camper. By simple, I mean it does not have a washing machine, clothes washer, or a dishwasher, because those take extra antifreeze. Clothes washer, at least 2 extra gallons, and dishwasher. Did I say clothes washer just now? A dishwasher. I don't know. I've only winterized a couple dishwashers ever, but I would expect probably a couple gallon in them also. Make sure you get all the water lines, the sprayers, and the pump. So that's the same thing in a clothes washer. You got a lot of water lines, and you got a water pump and drains and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna leave. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this one just like it is, because I will de-winterize this in the spring for these folks. So I will put it all back together. Close the bypass valve on the water heater, put the plug back in the water heater. I will go ahead and do these valves down in here at the water pump, because I won't get back in there in the spring. I'll have no need to get in there unless there's a leak, or we don't want no leaks. So yeah, that's it on this one. So don't tell anybody I worked on a horse trailer, because nobody will watch the video. And if you've noticed, maybe I talked a little funny or looked a little funny. I had a tooth repaired this morning, and the numbing's actually finally going away. That was almost 4 hours ago. My dentist really likes to numb, which that's fine. He doesn't have to worry about anybody jumping out of the chair when he hits a nerve when he's drilling. But man, the numbing lasts a long time. So that's it on this one. As always, thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, golly, thank you for coming along. If you've been here a while, thank you too. You guys and gals are awesome. So my name's Kenny. I am a hillbilly. I work on RVs, hence the name Hillbilly RV. Y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Just making sure I haven't forgot anything. I'll turn this camera off, think about it again, make sure I haven't forgot anything. We'll pull the valves on the gray and the black tank. This is a farm, so if there's any surprises in there, no big deal. Farms have surprises every day. There's a lot of livestock on this farm, so y'all have a good day. Catch you next time. Or sit up. Bye.